the TMDL, do you envision a world, Mike? And my
I
last
always envision the world.
are you dreaming of a world where you're building your entire model like people build node projects and JavaScript, where there's literally no UI? All of this is just done in files and pages in a repo?
No, I don't think so. I think it's
All
more
right,
like,
all right.
I think it's more of like, I'm going to make a co-pilot agent that will have the voice of Alex Powers, and I'll be able to just talk to Alex and be like, Alex, I need a model. Instead of co-pilot, it'll be like co-Alex. I need a model that does the XYZ things. And Alex will, in his gentle, kind tone, Michael, that's a dumb idea. I'll just build you the model that you actually need. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to make everything in Power Query just work better for you because you don't have a clue what you're doing. So that's the kind of co-pilot agent I need. I would rather. No, I'm being totally facetious here. I'm just teasing you, Tommy. I don't see a world where we're going to have a whole bunch of like pure code based building of models. I still think we're going to need some level of tooling there, but I do think using more things like TMDL is very useful, and I think a lot of other tools are going to start adapting to that because it's to me, every time they add a brand new feature into anything that's Power BI Desktop, the TMDL format can cover it. Right? There's things TMDL can do that other things that they don't have to build a UI for it now. Like imagine, Tommy, like you have the perspectives, right? You can't make a perspective in desktop. Well, at least you couldn't, but now you can, because now the perspective lives as part of the semantic model, and you can script that out using TMDL. So TMDL scripts out perspectives. You can use that to build different languages on top of your model, which is awesome. Like that's what you want to do.
Sure.
But before I had no UI to do that. Like it just wasn't available to me. So, Tommy, where do we go with this one, right? Is there going to be an ability for us to script out things and pull in code samples and snippets from other places? I think that's where we need to go next, right? I want Tommy to figure out the scripting code that says, hey, Tommy's going to build an automation.
I know what you want.
You see what I'm saying? Like,